How to fix messages notification not working in Motorola S70. First of all, first of SMS. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search messages app. Now click on messages app. Scroll down, click on force stop. After click on force stop, messages app will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, check sleep mode. Open setting, scroll down, click on home screen and lock screen. Scroll down, click on lock screen and click on sleep display, and now turn on this button. After turning on this button, check sleep display. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open setting, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration, click on do not disturb and click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset device setting, and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix messages notification not working in Motorola S70. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.